It's head time.
Right. Show me the way. Where is the egg hunt place?
There.
You missing something?
Missing something.
You have to carry your basket.
Your egg there.
Show me the way.
That one?
Yes.
I found one.
We found one.
I found one. Where is it? Where is it? Where not there? Where?
I don't know. You have to find your egg. There's a lot of eggs everywhere.
There.
Wow. How many have you got?
3.
3. Wow.
Show me the basket. How many you've got now?
2. I find one. What's that? Let's take that one.
Ooh. What is it then?
There. It's winner later.
Yeah, is it a big one? Okay,
Show
me
me.
too.
No, that will winner later.
Okay.
Where's another one?
Oh, I see something.
Where?
Me too.
It's
Show me.
Wow.
Show
I'm
me.
gonna put it in my basket.
Mm.
I can't see another egg. Can't see another egg, Papa.
Maybe egg sleeping.
Where?
Where's the bed then?
Where's the bed?
Where's the small bed?
There.
The small bed.
I can't see it.
The small bed.
Wow.
Oh, I want more egg.
You want more egg?
Yeah, I can't find it.
Have you try looking in the playground?
Huh?
Have you try looking in the playground?
You don't get it.
Try have a look at the playground.
No, I can't.
Yeah, try looking at the playground.
Where?
Have a look.
Not there.
No?
No.
Not even the Blue Castle playground?
Where?
I don't know, maybe you try open the door.
Door?
The Blue Castle door.
Who touched your door?
Oh.
I can't find another one.
There's only one more to find. Why you go ask baby?
Hey,
Why you go ask baby?
baby, where is it? Don't know.
Baby knows. Wow, what's inside your eggs then?
So how many eggs?
3.
Huh?
3.
Do you want to show us what's inside?
Wow.
It touches it.
Chocolates.
Nummy, nummy. Nummy, Papa, nummy.
Wow.
More than yours.
Yes.
Hey.
Oh, thank you.
That will be yours.
Yeah, go show mama. Show mama. Turn around, show mama then.
It's Papa.
This one.
Here.
Ooh,
Never
it's a
mind.
big egg.
Hunter.
Hunt.
Wow. Got so much chocolate.
Oh, how many other?
Wow. There you go.
Oh,
Wow. Okay.
is it nice? Baby? Is it? Baby, is it nice?
I'll find more. I'll find more Easter eggs.
You want more Easter egg?
Yeah.
Okay then.
I'll say bye-bye.